Grade 5. Today we are going to study about the effects of soil erosion. Investigate extent of soil erosion in the community and its effects on living things and the environment. In your previous lesson, you've learned about weathering and its importance to shape the surface of the earth. Also, weathering can either be mechanical or chemical. Chemical weathering involves change in the composition of rocks that allows them to break into pieces. Mechanical weathering is a physical wearing away of rocks without any changes in the composition. Today, you're going to learn about soil erosion and its effects to the environment. When rocks are broken down into pieces, they don't stay in one place. Some of rock's fragments become part of the soil. Others are transferred in one place to another, which is called erosion. Materials that are transported due to erosion are called sediments. Erosion of rock fragments contribute to the soil formation as well as formation of landforms. Soil erosion doesn't only shape Earth's landforms, it also affects the ecosystem. Especially if it happens unexpectedly, it can destroy bridges and roads. Erosion affects the land. It can change its shapes and sizes. Human activities such as deforestation, illegal logging, and quarrying may also increase the effects of soil erosion in the environment. Landforms. Although soil erosion happens, the appearance and structure of a landform don't change overnight. It would take hundreds of years to change. For instance, sand dunes would form after plenty of soil accumulate and form a huge mass. After existing large mass of rocks and soil, this process happens over and over again. Soil erosion can destroy land masses of land. It can also transform a mountain into hill or plateau. Living things. Plants get most of its nutrients from the topsoil. Topsoil contains the organic materials produced by dead animals and plants. However, this topsoil is usually carried away by wind and water. Once the topsoil is gone, the nutrients for plants will be carried away as well. The effects of erosion on plants would mean less food production. This can affect animals and humans since plants are their main source of food and nutrients. Another negative effect of erosion is the prevalence of mine tailings, which are minerals wastes or leftovers after the mining process. Erosion brought by water can wash mine tailings to nearby bodies of water and pollute them. Polluted seas and rivers can affect aquatic plants and animals as well as the potable water supply of animals and humans. Too much soil erosion makes the soil unable to hold or absorb water. This makes the soil dry, coarse, and eventually unfit for vegetation. In addition, sediments that are washed away by water can clog irrigation system. Now let's do some learning activities. Prepare the materials listed below. Paper, pen. Procedures. 1. Observe the landform of rocks in your community. Take note of possible sign of erosion. If there are no landform or rocks in your community, you may use other books or references to observe some landforms or rocks formation in other places. 2. Ask your grandparents or the barangay officials in your community about some landforms or rock formations that may be the result of erosion. Let them describe how those looked like before. Based on their description, compare how they look like now. Questions. 1. What are the signs of erosion that you have observed around your community? How about in other places? 2. Based on your analysis on your survey, do the landforms that you See in your community looked as they were many years ago. Draw a rose if the situation shows a good effect of soil erosion, and a heart if not. 1. Large masses of land, wonders of nature. 2. Shaping of landforms. 3. Change in appearance of mountains. 4. Deposition of mine tailings. 5. Inability of the soil to hold water. 6. Formation of soil. 7. Pollution of water. 8. Removal of topsoil. 9. Decrease of food production. 10. Clogging of irrigation. True or false? Write true if the statement is correct, and false if not. 1. The effect of soil erosion on plants would mean over food production. 2. The topsoil contains the organic materials produced by dead plants and animals. 3. Soil erosion can destroy large masses of land. 4. Erosion brought by water can wash mine tailings to nearby bodies of water and pollute them. 5. Human activities such as deforestation, illegal logging, and quarrying decrease the effects of soil erosion in the environment. Match the definition in column A with the concept in column B. Write the letter of your answer on the space provided before each number. Column A. 1. It contains organic material produced by dead plants and animals. 2. These are materials that are transported due to erosion. 3. It is an example of human activity that increases the effects of soil erosion. 4. It can change the shape and size of land. 5. These are wastes or leftovers after the mining process.